I'm about to replace our seal for the ball valve on our Dometic 320 toilet, and so oh, it went on.
Sweet. You ready for surgery?
Ready for surgery?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. The first thing we're going to do is give the bowl a good quick cleaning. And then we're going to shut off the water so that we can get to business. Okay, the water's off. Directions say just reach in here and pull this off. Ooh, it's a little crusty. Yucca. And you see on this seal here, see if we can get it to focus. It says this side up. It says this side up. So, supposedly we just leave the ball closed. Start shoving this in there. But to be certain it's sealed, it's seated right into the groove, I'm going to open a little bit and grab a hold of it. Oh, and it wasn't in there. Gross. Try it again, because it did not seat good the first time. Okay, trying it again. It did not see good the first time. Oh, I think it snapped that time. Might be good. But just to be sure, open just a little bit. Feels like it's in there good now. Let's monitor and see if it's holding. Looks like it is. So, have Amber turn the water back on. Let's see how it goes. And that, my friends, is how you replace that valve on the Dometic. This is the 320, but any 300 series uses the same seal. Ours came in a package of 2. I'll show this right here. And I guess we're good to go. Take off my surgical glove and throw it away. Woohoo! Okay, I'm fixing to